This is my VH700 from Vapor Honing Technologies, and after 7 months of hard use and zero maintenance, it has stopped working, which I believe to be a problem with the pump. What's up everybody, my name is Mike, but basically I could not find any information on how to repair one of these pumps or do the maintenance and service them because my vapor blaster was struggling a lot. It wasn't working nearly as it should. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to fix this and get this machine running again with a little bit of help from a friend of mine. Don't worry, I'm gonna keep this video nice, short, and sweet. I'll tell you exactly what we're gonna need to do, what we do, show you how it's working after. But as you can tell, this thing has been used. I have taken off this T connection with the two quick release levers on the side that come off. It's gonna come off right on this piece. Obviously we can tell this unit needs a lot of cleaning. And the first thing we're making sure is that there's no obstructions in here in this T fitting, which looks good. So most likely it's probably gonna be the propeller like we thought. But we get this off first, and then it's these three big bolts that hold the cover to the propeller, and it's with a 9/16 socket. So let's go ahead and get these bolts out. All right, now we can get this part off. Shoo, this thing is gonna need some cleaning. And you can see that this propeller has some wear, but doesn't look too bad. It might be enough to cause the problem. That right there might be just enough to make it not work. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep clean everything up super well, just like it was a motorcycle. This is what we're normally working on. This was the problem. This was completely clogged because of this little piece of something that broke off and must have gotten run up into the gun and was clogging that right there, which is where the air comes in. That's why it was only running water usually and would have air sometimes, but now that's the problem. Hoses, everything looks fine. Just gonna clean everything up, put it back together. That has to be it. So, damn, something got in the gun and clogged it. I should have known it was gonna be something like that. It had nothing to do with my pump, and everything is fine here. A little bit of wear, but nothing to worry about. This actually was clogged up in the gun. So it was stuck actually where the air inlet comes in. That was my problem, I'm 90% sure. So I'm just gonna get this thing back together. I've cleaned all the hoses, the pump, the whole cabinet, everything's clean. Get it back together and see how it works. So we are operational once again. I've been blasting all kinds of stuff. Look at all these parts we've been blasting. Can't get enough of it. So got another piece here. Show you how it's working now. After removing the clog, this is how she runs. She's working good. She's working good. So I'm gonna keep using this thing and maybe make some more content later if this video gets any attention, and just drop a comment below if you have any more questions, and that's gonna do it. So peace out.